Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is the Queen Phoenix. Today's little pattern is this cute little crochet bunny rabbit. It can be used as an applique, a motif, or for decoration. For this project, you will require a safety eye or a button or one of these googly eyes and any crochet cotton of your choice or wool. And please be advised, these projects are perfect for leftover wool. So if you have like a few scraps of yarn lying around, little bits, it'll work perfect with this here. Right, so let's get right into it. I do invite you at this stage to hit the subscribe button. This channel is updated regularly with free patterns, free tutorials, and I answer comments quite quickly. And if you are not a new visitor to my channel and you've been visiting a lot, hit that subscribe button. So for today, we're going to start with a magic circle or a magic ring, and this tutorial is on my channel as well, including all the stitches we're using today. It's under my basics in a playlist. Very easy to find and quite easy to understand. Right. So once you have your magic ring, you're going to chain 3. So 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to make 11 double crochets into your magic ring. 11. Once you have your 11 double crochets, please slip stitch into the first double crochet that you made. So into the space here, please double crochet. We have just done this part here. Now we're going to do the second part. For row 2, please chain 3. Into the same stitch, make 1 double crochet. And then 2 double crochets in each stitch. So 2 double crochets in each of the stitches that you made on your previous row. Let me show you that. And you will continue row 2 like this until you get here. Again, please make a slip stitch into the first stitch that you initially started with. This is row 2 all done, and now we're going to do row 3, which is this part here. First, for the head, you're going to chain 3, and you're going to make 3 double crochets in the same stitch. 3 double crochets in the same stitch. Now you'll make 2 double crochets in the next stitch. And you're also going to make 1/2 a double crochet in the same stitch. Can you see the head part? So we've done the head. Now we're going to work the first ear, then the second ear. For the first ear, you're going to chain 7. And you're going to make a slip stitch into the second chain from the hook. In the next chain, you're going to make 1/2 double crochet. In the next 3 chain, you're going to work 1 double crochet each. So 1 double crochet in each of the next 3 chain. In your last chain, you'll make 1/2 a double crochet. This is your first ear. Now you're going to slip stitch into the top of where you initially started your chain. So make a slip stitch into there. Can you see I'm going through all of the stitches there? That's just to give it some stability. Now for the second ear, same thing. You chain 7. And you slip stitch into the second chain from the hook. 1/2 a double crochet in the next stitch. 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. 1 double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. In your last stitch, you're going to make a half a double crochet, now I'm sure with the previous ear you saw that I slip stitch in here, but for this one I want to slip stitch right here. So you're at the bottom of the head, can you see that? So I'm going to slip stitch right there. And now we have the little bunny's ears made. For this part here, you're going to slip stitch in 10 stitches. So on the top, please make 10 slip stitches. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we're going to do his little tail now. So it's chain 2, 3 double crochet together. So what that means is the following. Yarn over, go into your stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, go through 2. You need to leave this loop on. Repeat the exact same thing. You'll end up with 4 loops and go through them all. That's as simple as it is. Chain 2, slip stitch into the exact same stitch. What's nice about this is that this pattern is worked all in one. From here, you're going to make 6 slip stitches. So in each stitch, it's 1 stitch around, so it's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we're going to do the leg. Chain 2, 2 half a double crochets in the same space. Do not forget, in the same space. And you're going to make a slip stitch in the same space. Done. Now we're going to slip stitch right back. And if you count, you'll have exactly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stitches. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There you go. All done. So this is him, your little bunny rabbit. And you can block this out to make the ears flatter. And you're going to put your eye there. And as you can see, they're identical. They look the same. Thank you so much for watching. When you make this video, please tag me in it so I know exactly what you're up to. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, all of the above. Thank you. This is the Queen Phoenix out. Enjoy crocheting. I'll get you on the next video.